Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today I'm going to start a series of videos on common provisions that are in a will. What a better way, how would I say this? There's no better way to start than to start at the beginning. The last will and testament of Frank Bruno. So, actually, I probably jumped ahead and I should not have started there. I'll give you some general information about the will. A will can have, the format is flexible. I'll start there. However, you need certain prerequisites in the will to make sure that it could get admitted into probate. Should be in writing. We should have 2 witnesses. Should name an executor. Right? But then there's a number of common provisions that should go into a will, and I'll go through them in a series of videos. And let's see. An overriding principle, if I don't mention it as a specific item, is to eliminate ambiguity. Right? We want to make sure that the will has a clarity and a focus and lets the people that survive you know what to do with your estate. How to get what you have to those that you love or whoever you want it to go to. Meaning charitable organizations or close friends, religious institutions, hospitals, wherever you want it to go. I did say we're going to start at the beginning. In a rather typical format, I guess, the last will and testament of Frank Bruno. Now, some people, my wills start out that way. That's the first opening top line of the page. Some people have, followed the trend of just last will of, with the belief that testament doesn't really mean much. I'm a traditionalist, and for the sake of tradition, I use last will and testament of the person's name. So, what else would I put? In that first paragraph, I would say, this is my name, this is my address. I think it makes sense to have the address there. And then I declare it to be the last will, and that any previously written wills, any prior wills are vacated. They are rescinded, revoked, terminated, ripped up. We get rid of the old and in with the new. That's all for today.